Nurses, porters, surgeons, home carers. Some places have been hit particularly badly. University hospitals of Derby and Burton lost consultants Dr. Amged El-Horani and Manjeet Singh Riet. And on Sunday, cleaner Eileen Landers. Nurses said her standards were second to none. Not all staff taken by this virus had been in face-to-face contact with patients. Rebecca Mack was a 111 operator. Her employers said her death was extremely hard for our staff to bear. Some of the people who died in this outbreak did so serving the communities they lived in their entire lives, whilst others had come from distant shores, like Ken Lambatten, whose death was announced today. St George's Hospital in London said he was as popular with his patients as he was with his colleagues, dedicated to his role as a research nurse. Silence today. For families, each death marks the loss of a loved one. For their colleagues in care homes, ambulances, hospitals and call centres, it means one fewer person to battle the virus.